seconds. We rode about an hour north of Chiang Mai to the famous sticky waterfalls. The ride through the jungle was gorgeous, lush greenery and winding roads passing rice paddies, mountains and temples. Once we arrived, we got to climb the limestone waterfalls. They're sticky thanks to the mineral-rich rocks. The falls have multiple tiers with a jungle vibe about them. It's pretty peaceful, a good place to cool off and explore and enjoy nature away from the crowds. Plus, not too many tourists, even though we were one.
Yeah.
But it's not.
Yeah, you want to go all the way up?